making some copper grounding pads today. So got some 1.5 inch round slugs of copper cut. Gonna get the 3-jaw and the large 4-jaw trued up, and we'll start cutting. Well, we got the chuck indicated within about 1,000ths, so I'm happy with that. We got the lathe oiled up, so now we'll get set up to do some cutting. So we're looking at the New American Machinist Handbook here, and we got copper and its alloys up, and this is the geometry for the copper. Bit of a side rake, bit of a side angler relief, and see if I can get it to focus in decent. We'll see. There's what they give for high-speed steel. And if you're into copper or carbide, that's what you got. Got it all chucked up. Got my tool on there. About time to start turning. So now we got it going. Got it lathe warmed up, going at about 336 RPM for right now. Fairly high speed for this lathe. Give it some cut and lube. That'll make a cut. Just trying to clean up the base here and square it off. Nice face, a little gummy. Take another pass to kind of clean it up a little bit. Turns quite a bit different when it's cold out. Cleaned up quite nicely. So now we'll face off the rest of the sides. Well, it took a little bit of finessing, but first stop is done. Turned and turned to height. So 3 more to go.